Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If not, please click subscribe button to get latest notification. Today, I show you how to composite Landsat 8 bands. Okay, let me start. First, we open our ArcMap. Then we go to our satellite image and open it. I have this. I select from band 2 to band 7. Okay, then add. Okay, these are my Landsat 8 which I downloaded from internet. Then what I have to do is I have to go to this button which is Arc Toolbox. Okay, then go to Data Management Tool, then Raster, then double click and raster processing composite bands. Okay, double click. Then input raster, click this box. Then band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6, band 7. Okay, then output location, band composite, then point TIFF. Okay, save and okay. Good, this is band composite. Okay, this is not needed after this. Let I remove it. Okay, good. This is my composite band. Let me change its composition. Band 4. Okay, 3, 1, and 2. Okay, this is natural color. Okay, natural color. This is water body. Okay, let me see false color. Okay, look it. This is plant, and this area is also plant. Okay, this is water body or something. Okay, anyway, you can see in changing by this composite. Thank you for today. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.